What is up, guys? Derek here from DW Designs, and welcome back to the channel. We're going to be working on the rear bumper today. This front bumper is finally finished. We don't need to do any more work to it, so now it's 100% focus and go time on the rear bumper, which honestly, guys, I'm so grateful for, because honestly, I was getting a little annoyed with how long the front bumper was taking me to finish it because of all the little minute details I was paying attention to, and sometimes it comes back to haunt me because I'm just too particular about things. Let's get started. Okay guys, before we get started, I need to clean off this bench. It is absolutely filthy. It got all kinds of junk on it that needs to get put back away, so that way we can start on the rear bumper, because all this stuff here was for the front bumper, and that is complete. Okay, bench is nice and clean, and we have already began to start. What I went ahead and did was set this on a flat surface and put the angle finder on there, so that way we know that we are flat in the tube notcher. Went ahead and marked a straight line all the way across to the other side, so that way it's a nice flat plane. And then all this does is make sure that it is clocked the right position as we notch it. And we got the upper hoop, right along here. We're gonna put it up here in a minute once we get the ends notched on this guy, and then we can start fitting it exactly where it needs to go. So, all right, let's start notching.
And I sent her away in tears. And now she won't answer my calls. She is long, long gone from here. She is long, long gone from here. And I sent her away in tears. Now she won't answer my calls. She is.
Okay, it is on the car now. Not tack welded to the frame mounts yet, but we got a bunch of stuff we have to make before we can get there. So far, it looks amazing, guys. I mean, tell me what you think. I think it looks awesome. The only thing I didn't take into account for was this exhaust right here. This might become a problem later on, even though this is gonna be uptight against here. And the reason why I say that is because I think I want a tube to come from here and come right about here somewhere at least, because what I want to do is I want to utilize this section here for a swing away tire carrier, and it needs to be extra beefy right there. Same thing with the other side, but the other side we're not dealing with an exhaust. Several different options, that is move the exhaust down a little bit or over. I don't know, we'll have to play with that as we go, but right now I'm more focused on let's get all the tubes that belong in here, like there are in Bentec that we originally designed. So that way we can go ahead and fasten it to the frame rails on this guy. Let's start making these inner pieces and get to it.
She is long, long she won't answer my calls. She is long, long gone from here. She is long, long gone from here. And I sent her away in tears. Now she won't answer my calls. She is long, long gone from here.
Guys, we made it. We made it to this point. I didn't think I would make it to this point today, if I'm being honest. That first bottom hoop in the beginning of the video was really giving me some troubles. I had to do a lot of grinding, a lot of fitting, and that took the longest. And yeah, that tube took the longest. Everything else just like flew together like nothing. One thing I gotta do is lift that side up 1 degree, and then that'll be perfect. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like it. It's coming out pretty nice. I like it. There's a couple things I'd like to adjust, but you know, we'll get there. We'll get there. Tomorrow, we'll probably start paneling all this stuff in with 1/8 inch sheet metal. And the reason why I gotta use 1/8 inch is because the backup sensors have to be a minimum thickness of 1/8 inch plate in order for the sensors to snap into place. There are gonna be a few sections where I'll use thinner stuff. Maybe I'll use mesh. I haven't decided yet if I'm gonna use mesh or not, but I think it'll be cool if we do. So we'll try to incorporate that. But I also gotta keep in mind about the swing away tire rack and the swing away accessory holder. All right, guys, I'm gonna call this vlog an end for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.